Here are the top 6 cryptocurrencies right now. No one has a crystal ball when it comes to crypto markets. In 2018, it seems as if cryptocurrencies face new challenges almost every day. With SEC regulators breathing down their necks, the future of tokens in the United States is anything but certain. There's no best stock to put your money on, and the same holds true with cryptocurrency. But if you're looking to take some altcoins for a test drive regardless, check out these expert picks. Ethereum, ETH. The second most valuable digital currency isn't without its issues, but Chris Klein is still a firm believer. The co-founder and COO of Bitcoin IRA.com, the world's first company allowing customers to purchase digital currencies for their IRA and 401k retirement accounts, regularly invests in Ethereum. It's good because its high-level language allows developers to create their own smart contracts on distributed autonomous networks. Ripple, XRP. Ripple, says Klein, espouses the goal of creating a financial transaction system free of restrictions, fees and processing delays that are commonly associated with traditional banks. Unlike Bitcoin, Ripple was designed to support the financial system worldwide. Major banks and financial institutions are already using Ripple to make cross-bank and cross-border transactions with greater efficiency and security. Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin is often described as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, he remarks. Created by an ex-Google employee to make transactions faster, Litecoin takes 2.5 minutes as opposed to 10. It can also handle a higher volume of transactions and has a higher maximum supply than Bitcoin, at 84 million. More coins equals more room for investors, says Klein. Bitcoin Cash is a virtual currency created by hard forking, splitting, from Bitcoin. If Bitcoin Cash is a new model, it is easy to imagine that Bitcoin is an old model. Bitcoin Cash is a virtual currency created by being split, so Bitcoin still exists, but they are not compatible and Bitcoin Cash is used instead of Bitcoin Cash. On the other hand, the technologies used for the two virtual currencies are basically the same. So why did we need to split into two? It is said that the relationships between Bitcoin developers and users who have Bitcoin have a great influence on this. Why was Bitcoin Cash, BCH, born? How was Bitcoin Cash born? One of the updates that led to the birth of Bitcoin Cash is the reduction of the time required for money transfer transactions. Bitcoin's blockchains are operated by using a technology called "there is a cause that led to the Bitcoin Cash is born in this blockchain." Dash. Digital cash, also known as Dash, is one of the various cryptocurrencies in existence. It's the third most valuable one, with a market cap of $61,343,050, the seventh biggest in crypto, and it boasts features like DarkSend and Instanched, which were pioneered by Dash. The 2016 roadmap was announced in February, and it focuses on improving the features originally brought into the cryptocurrency scene by Dash, such as Instanched and DarkSend, which allow faster and anonymous payments. Digital Cash also wants to expand their reach to the Portuguese, Spanish, and Chinese communities by making it easier to acquire Dash with fiat currencies. Dash has also shown their prototype demo for Dash Evolution, which will make sending and receiving Dash much easier with features like aliases, payment descriptions, pay with Dash buttons, social systems and more. Making cryptocurrencies user-friendly is a very important step in making them used and accepted worldwide, and that is exactly what Dash is trying to do. Mintcoin, MINT. When it comes to low-cap roller coaster coins, Mint is one of the most fun rides you'll find, enthuses Jeff Cohen, award-winning entrepreneur and journalist and president of 360 Blockchain. He's also been active in cryptocurrency as an investor and trader since 2014. Currently trading in single-digit sats, Mint could become the next Verge, or the next Ember, he says. Cryptocurrency is a potentially great digital asset for investment. Some cryptocurrencies have better options for investment in 2020. Rules to learn before investing in cryptocurrencies in 2020. According to a markets expert Artem Dev, the following recommendations will help to minimize risks and increase ROI for cryptocurrency investors this year. Diversify your investments, never invest money in one asset. New traders and investors make this mistake repeatedly and, as a result, lose all money after the first failing deal. Diversify your investment portfolio. At least one of the chosen cryptocurrencies will bring profits and you will be able to minimize losses. Do not blindly trust one source of data, always use a few sources, chats, forums, expert opinion, financial analysis, brokers. Learn and observe, It is the only way to pick the best cryptocurrencies and the entry point to this extremely volatile market. Sure, you are free to pick any cryptocurrency to invest in 2020. Remember to diversify and work with reliable exchange services and brokers to protect your investment deals from any fraud. Make sure to include crypto coins into your asset portfolio as soon as possible while top currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are still hot for investment.